To a good 1,000.
That's right there.
Bear me.
I told you not to hand the bolts, Dalton.
You and you.
I'm gonna smack your head. Where's the bolt at?
No, I don't.
Is that thing dried yet?
Like dead ass.
2 of them were put originally on the windshield wiper. Never handed in the bolt.
I think they look killer. Doing some collision repair on this thing. I'm putting a new fender on it, but it requires to take the cowl and the hood, the fender liner, and a bunch out. So we're getting to it. Right here, I'm coming. You got the grill out.
Yeah,
What are you working on now? The bumper? Oh no, the fender. Oh.
Hang it at the socket and extension.
Was there another bolt down there at the bottom?
It ain't all the way out.
Was it not? I had it all. I pushed it in with my finger.
I can't get it to slide out.
Yeah, I couldn't get that left over here.
moving.
Just a little cooler. Oh, the washer fluid.
It's small? No. That's on the fender.
The fender is off. Took a lot of work. This bumper should be off, but fuck it.
Hey, and it's got one bolt pack for each cylinder, right?
That done yet? Yeah. You put another coat, or are we just gonna send it? Oh yeah.
It looks way better than it did.
Yeah, it looks better than red. Looks a lot better than red. That was the top look. Oh yeah. She's good.
You could probably put one more coat on that. You want me to put another coat?
Yeah, one more. Yeah.
At least one more.
I need my flashlight.
I got it right here.
You want to video it?
Yeah.
Sure, fuck it. Don't fuck up now.
You don't want to see the light.
Oh. Yeah, you're right. Sorry.
We got the paint and body man right here, bud.
Alright. Turn it into a body shop. The Grand Prix, now the S-10. What will be next?
Wait, did you paint what? Grand Prix did you paint?
Well, we didn't paint it, but body repair. We had to,
Oh, yeah.
the whole front end, and I did a little bit of the quarter panel when we slammed it.
We can kind of chill out and wait for it. Barbara said the food is done too. So.
Yeah, because, I mean, I'd say it's going to take another 30 minutes for this to set up.
Yeah, that looks good, dude.
Get back to you. Well, we're in the night off with this car being done. And this one we're waiting for the paint to dry so we can mount it up. The old fender. There's the hood. There's the cowl, as you can call it. We got to clean up this some, but we didn't want to spray it around with the paint drying. This is all the bullets they got to say. Well, it's the next morning. My phone died on the last clip, so I'll give you a rundown in case the clip doesn't make it. We got all these wheels on. This thing's looking killer, looking good. Kind of want to lower it a little bit, but I'm not sure because the driveway's pretty bad. Get this beauty out. Took a little longer for this stuff to dry than what we were thinking, but it's dry now, so just waiting for Buddy to get here so we can throw it together. What's up, Zeus? What's up, Zeus? Put that down. All right, get back to y'all later. Oh, next night. It's on. A little bit of a gap issue, but whatever.
Hey, it worked.
Yeah, it worked. Hey, step back real fast. Let's get a whole look.
It'll work. I hope.
Dang, it looks better than it did. 100%.
Yeah, I messed it up.
Yeah, that's all right.
But I mean,
Looks good.
all in its favor. It looks better than the dented crap. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?
Figure it out once we get the grill and the hood on.
Anybody want a Kool-Aid jammer?
No.
No.
Well, we got the grill on, and the cow. Looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. I think he's working on windshield wiper right now. Oh, about died. It's all right. Oh,
come on, man.
Well, okay. There's the finished product. Dalton scratched it. Look at that.
Last night when Pat was still with him, he stuck his finger in it.
Yeah, he stuck his finger in it last night.
I did not do no such thing.
You're the only one here.
That doesn't look terrible.
Hey, we can figure out right there. Look, it's got the whole print.
A little dirty.
That's going on the YouTube.
DNA test.
And DNA.
Yeah, hey, we got a zip tie that.
All I gotta say is you
Yeah,
squeeze.
we can zip tie that up.
Yeah,
Just
yeah,
get something to.
Yeah, that looks a lot better than that.
Yeah. And that one.
And y'all saw how we started.
Yeah, I hope so. Did I take a video of that? I'll find out.
Yeah, you did.
Yeah, I did.
He messed it all up.
Good old V6 4-wheel drive. See how she starts up.
Get that.
Yeah, you're right. Maybe. Oh. Just a break right this thing. Gotta love it. Look good, Duffy. Oh yeah. She looks a lot better.
Hey everybody, that's what happens when you work together. Help friends out.
Yeah. Looks good. We're helping his dad out and make it look better. Now I gotta pull this thing back in.